In today's video, we are visiting St Ives. We first headed down to Porthgwidden Beach. It was very wet and windy on the day that we visited, so sadly we didn't end up staying too long, but long enough to take in its beauty. Porthgwidden is one of St Ives' smallest beaches and often overlooked in favour of Porthminster or PorthMeor. Due to the island to the left of the beach, it is fairly sheltered and therefore prime for swimming and water sports. Porthgwidden has its own car park adjacent to the beach, as well as the lovely beach cafe and beach huts that you can hire. It is also right next to the island, which is always a lovely walk with some spectacular views. After this, we headed just over the road to PorthMeor Beach. This is the best thing about St Ives. All of its main beaches, town, harbour and the island are all within very easy walking distance of each other, which makes for a lovely afternoon out. The beach is backed by the iconic Tate St Ives. Porthmeor is a popular beach with tourists and locals alike. A long stretch of golden sand with crashing waves make this beach very popular with both families and for water sports enthusiasts, and is St Ives' main surfing beach. There are plenty of cafes near to the beach and you are only a stone's throw away from the main town. Let's go and have a look around.
My turn, Mummy. Key. Castle. I'm crashing on the hill.
Yeah, there's a big hole. You ever look at the rocks?
Oh, that's a big rock. And then the river. It's a way big. What?
There's pictures of the floor. There's lots of rock pools over there. Make sure you don't jump in any.
Mum, why? Water.
Yeah. Can you go through there through the middle?
Oh, that's a big rock there.
That's it.
Where are we?
Raining.
Wow.
Porthmeor Beach.
Porthmeor. Porthmeor.